How to disable suggestions for posts you might like on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your TikTok application, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Now simply select on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you tap on your profile section, it will lead you to your profile over here. So let's just tap on the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So let's tap on the profile, and as we tap on the profile, it will land us to a new page where you can see the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select on the hamburger icon. So as you tap on the hamburger icon, you'll be able to see the option of settings and privacy at the bottom of the screen. So let's just tap on it and you can see the option of settings and privacy. Select on that, and as you tap on settings and privacy, you can lead into a new page. So here you can see the different options. So what you simply need to do over here is you need to tap on the option of display. So here you can see the option of display. Tap on display, and as you tap on display, here you can see the appearance only. So we're gonna go back as we don't have another option. So let's tap on the option of the notifications part. So let's select on the content preferences, or rather notifications directly. So let's go back and check on notifications over here. And as you tap on notification, you can simply scroll down, and here you can see the option of personalized post suggestions, and under that you can see the option of posts you might like. So simply toggle off these options and you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.